Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will show you how to connect Revolut to Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys want to create an account on Shopify and Revolut, you can use the link down there in the video description below, and you may get discount or rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on my Shopify website, you can search for an application, since that is how you can connect external application from your Shopify. So for example, I'm going to search for Revolut, but apparently if you search Revolut directly on the Shopify, you will not see any result or any application of Revolut that you can add. So the only thing that you can do is by searching the Revolut app, or how to install Revolut app on Shopify directly on Google. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to search how to install Revolut on Shopify. And as you can see, there's an article that you can click on Google that shows you how to install Shopify payment app on Revolut, or how to connect Revolut on Shopify. So you just need to follow all of these steps. So I'm not going to read this one, but you can look it up. And first, I'm going to click this link right here. It says Revolut Pay app, and after I click it, I will be redirected back to the Shopify, where I will now see a Revolut app that I can install in my Shopify. So right here, I'm just going to install this one, Revolut Pay. And after installing it, as you can see, I will be redirected to the Revolut page, where I will need to sign up my Revolut account, so that I can integrate my Revolut account on Shopify. Then after signing up your account, just follow the rest of these steps, and you will eventually connect your Revolut to your Shopify. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can connect Revolut to your Shopify. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.